rounds. Only got 105 rounds, but yeah.
Fuck.
Or shit, I'm in the middle of
Is it you?
fucking... Yeah, it must be me. Where's the office? Through here.
Up top.
There's a guy over there. Can I shoot him? It must be a scav.
No, it's a player. Keep moving, keep moving. That's it. Move.
Shit!
What?
Fell off.
Right?
I should fucking walk. She broke me leg.
Oh no, I died.
Where? Who shot you?
Down the hallway to the left. Fuck. No chance to use that gun ever. Fuck. Son of a bitch.
Stuck now.
You hurting?
I'm stuck in the bloody duct.
Stuck inside of it.
I'm at where the arm is there. It spawned. I can't pick it up. Since I've got no space.
Oh yeah.
And I can put it on because I'm not wearing any armor.
Lost me shit.
You can't pick up stuff off the ground. Oh, this is bullshit.
What, F? Can't do it. You bugged out?
No, it just doesn't let, because there's no like ground in this game. You know what I mean?
There's nothing to pick up off the ground.
Well, that's fucking great. Keep injuring myself, my legs are fucked. God, it takes so long to fucking search something. I don't know.
Whereabouts are you?
At the ground floor.
The ground floor? Yeah.
Hiding on the side of the bridge lockers. Let's gate 3.
Bridge, oh, yeah. Yep. A level 2.
On the ground floor.
Okay.
Yeah, gate 3, 0, gate 0, and cellars is the exit. I'm pretty close to gate 3. I couldn't get out. I'm just pissed off because I needed a bag or something to put the bloody thing in.
A bag?
Yeah.
Or what in?
The armor.
You put it on your body, man. Delete your armor and put it on.
I don't have any armor. That's what I'm saying. You won't put it on. Because I don't have a bag to put it in the first place. You know what I mean?
It should be... Because it's bugged out, it won't go on your body, though.
It's not bugged out. It's a dumb system. That's what I'm saying. There's no ground to pick it up on. Like,
no ground, okay.
because like in DayZ, right? Like if you press tab, there's always like a ground space so you can see.
Yeah, you can see what's on the ground.
Yeah,
You press F and take it.
that doesn't work.
Okay. So it must be bugged out or something.
Bugged out. Shit.
Son of a bitch. All that waiting.
Still alive, but I'm hiding in the corner basically, not doing anything.
Yeah. Yeah. You healing up?
Yeah, shit, I should do that, shouldn't I?
Try and get those legs going on again. Heal up a bit.
Make a shit ton of noise.
Yeah.
I want to try again.
Yeah, go for it. I know what you mean, there's no tab and then you can, it's on the ground, you can just drag it onto your... What do you mean?
Yeah.
Try and... So you can prone and do it.
That doesn't work.
Might be the only way.
It really doesn't work.
That's weird.
See, unless like I find a bag somewhere and then put it in the bag.
Okay.
Basically my only option at this point.
So you gotta find a bag on someone on a dead body or something.
Got one guy. Fuck.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm hurt. He was just standing in the... I got his backpack.
Засранец вонючий!
Oh, fuck off, you can't fit in the fucking bag. Go on, search it, you fuck. Breathe. Oh, I got some mags, I got some mags. Open the door. Holy shit, I got out. I got the armor and I got out.
Fuck yeah, good job, man.
Alright, for the bag to put the armor in.
Yeah.
1700 XP. Fucking hell.
Woo!
Holy shit, dude.